Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday in the Triangle. Today I'm here with Chris Woodring of Bloomin Blinds. Thanks, Chris, for coming and joining me today.
Thanks, Brenda. Glad to be here.
So, with Bloomin Blinds, he does a little bit more than just installs blinds. Chris, tell us a little bit about what you do and what service you offer and what sets you apart.
Sure, yeah, absolutely. So we do a full range of window treatments. So we do blinds, we do shades, we do shutters, we even do motorized awnings and exterior patio screens. Great coming up for spring, right? Getting ready for, enjoying that outdoor space and, blocking out that hot sun that's coming that I think probably everybody's looking forward to. It's been pretty cold recently. But the thing that really sets us apart from our competition is the fact that we do repairs and we do them in your home. So if you have an issue with a blind where a string is broken or the motor stopped working, those are things that we can come out to your home. We have a van with all of our tools and parts inside it that we can typically knock out within 15 minutes to a half an hour, depending on the type of repair.
Okay, and what areas do you serve? Are you just local to, say, Raleigh, or do you do the greater Raleigh area?
Yeah, great question. So we service Raleigh, we service Cary, and we service Morrisville. However, we do take service calls outside of that area.
Okay.
Zebulon, in fact, tomorrow I'm going to be down in Wilmington and Oak Island taking care of some customers down there. So it doesn't matter where you are.
Just don't be afraid to ask.
That's right.
Okay, very cool. And temporary situations. I have clients sometimes with new construction and they need those temporary blinds till they're ready to get some installed. Is that something you offer?
Absolutely. We always get asked that a lot, and I keep a good stock inside the van. So when we go out to do a measure and we consult with new homeowners about the type of window treatments that they want to put in their home, then we can definitely hang those temporary shades to give them that privacy.
Okay. Do you have a website people can look at to get a little bit more information on your company and what you offer, pricing?
Yeah, absolutely. It's www.bloominblinds.com/Raleigh, or you could just go to bloominblinds.com and type in your zip code, and we'll come up.
Nice. Okay. And is there quotes available on there, access to get quotes?
Not so much quotes online, but you can book an appointment and then we'll come out and analyze the space for you and we can provide quotes on site.
Okay, great. Well, if you're looking to get new blinds, if you're looking to make a move and need a temporary situation, whatever your need is for blinds and window coverings, check Bloomin Blinds out, give them a call. They are a local company, and again, shop local. Hope you have a great day on purpose.